In the last part of the series, आपकी मुलाकात हुई कुछ कछुओं से, ऑस्ट्रिच से, बुल्स से और भालुओं से, पर जंगल बहुत बड़ा है मेरे दोस्त और स्टॉक मार्केट में कई प्रकार के इन्वेस्टर्स हैं. तो in this video, you are going to go deeper into these woods to find some deep knowledge. हम शुरुआत करेंगे स्टैग्स के साथ. स्टैग्स को देखते ही दिमाग में आता है कि कितने सुंदर है, कितने शाही लगते हैं. What else do we know about stags? They run and they are majestic. You can say that about stag investors too. They are a lot like our intraday traders who are quick with money and they have got a lot of it. So much so that their investments can quickly make a bearish share a bull. However, beware, their short-term rally is just that. Dogs of the Dow. Dow Jones is an index of the 30 most valued companies in the US stock market. जैसे इंडिया में Nifty 50 होता है. Now these are the world's biggest powerhouses for an investor. The sole purpose of the Dogs of the Dow strategy is to beat these stocks. Not to be confused with dogs in general, which are stocks that haven't performed for a while now, and most experts would look here very particularly because they expect its recovery soon. Cats. अगर मार्केट में कभी cat bounce सुनो तो run. What happens when you throw a dead cat to the wall? It bounces, but it kinda still is dead. So dead cats of the market are shares that have no intrinsic asset value, but suddenly they show some recovery. Now, this would lure a lot of pigs and rabbits in. You know this if you have seen the last video, and you'll also know that it's not very smart. A share goes through a dead cat bounce when it shows a little sign of recovery, but it's temporary. So don't join this rally. Whales. Whales are largely peaceful, they live in the deep seas and can single-handedly beat all the small fish. But what separates it from the sharks? A whale has got some rules, a whale has got some discipline, and basically it doesn't like trouble. So look out for institutional investors and FIIs. These are your whales. They make big moves after deep research from the deep seas. Sharks. Not to be confused with Shark Tank or whales, these are not positive investors. Think menacing jaws and villainous big fish of the sea. Sharks will tempt retail investors with promises of very high gains on obscure stocks. Working in a team, sharks will push up the stock price by trading among themselves. When the price is very high, they dump the stock on unsuspecting buyers and vanish as the investors cry. So now you know the jungle a little better, and we'll be around with more on the stock market. If you don't want to miss these interesting stories, follow us on Instagram and install our app, which is now available for Android and Apple users both. Go on.